Welcome to today's tutorial, where we'll walk through the quickest way to locate conversations by date in a Telegram group using the web version on your PC. Whether you're catching up on missed messages or revisiting an important discussion, this method will save you time. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Telegram Web. Log in using your credentials or scan the QR code with your mobile app. Once you're in, locate the group chat from the left-hand menu. Click to open it. Now here's where the magic happens. Look at any message within the group, whether it's at the top, middle, or bottom of the chat. Directly above that message, you'll notice a small date stamp. Click on it. A calendar pop-up will appear, showing the current month. Use the arrows to navigate through the months and years until you find the specific date you're looking for. Click on the day, and you'll see a Jump to Date button. Confirm your selection by clicking it. Instantly, the chat will scroll to the exact starting point of that day's conversations. No endless scrolling, no guesswork. Just a seamless jump to the messages exchanged on your chosen date. This feature is especially handy for large groups with constant activity. Imagine needing to reference a link shared weeks ago or verifying details from a past discussion. Instead of manually searching, you can now pinpoint the date with precision. A quick tip. If you're unsure of the exact date but know the general time frame, use the calendar to browse nearby days. Telegram's intuitive design ensures you won't get lost in the process. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've mastered Telegram Web's date-based navigation. Whether you're coordinating projects, planning events, or simply staying organized, this tool keeps your conversations accessible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram tips and updates. See you in the next tutorial.